Okay, so the Web 2.0 tool that we will be discussing today is VoiceThread. And before I jump into actually using the VoiceThread app, I want to go back to the main page and just talk a little bit about what it is. It's an application that allows the creator to upload and post various media, including presentations, video, and images, and then allows users to record video comments and responses to the content. According to VoiceThread.com, the tool is designed to communicate, collaborate, and connect students. So you can use this across all different sectors, K-12, higher ed, and business. However, I will be exploring this tool for corporate training purposes. To begin using VoiceThread, first just head to VoiceThread.com. It is very easy to register and create an account on this website. You'll just click register in the top right and it'll ask you for your email address and a password, and there you go. You have your account created. Once your account is created, you will have these buttons over here in the top left. You can create, browse, or go to your home page of your account. I think the first helpful thing to do is to click that browse button and check out these tutorials for VoiceThread. They have videos on commenting, creating, and using their doodle feature, which is a really cool commenting feature that they have. You can see I already have a VoiceThread started. So I'm just going to go to the edit button here down at the bottom. Once you have created your slides, you can edit them, share them, create a copy, or delete them. So down here, I'm going to click the edit button and open that up. And here you can see my slides. So it's really easy to add content and add media to a VoiceThread because you just hit this big add media sign and you will get 6 different ways that you can upload content to your VoiceThread. If we head on over back to our home button, we can play our VoiceThread. So this is the first slide of my VoiceThread. And as you'll see, this is the Purdue University URL that I pulled up using just copy and pasting the URL in my search bar. And what you will see is this plus sign down here. If you click this, it expands, and this shows you 5 different ways that people can comment on the content that you have uploaded to the VoiceThread. The other cool thing to do, and this is where we'll get into using the doodle feature, is when you create an audio comment, you hit that and it will show you a countdown for when you to begin talking. And you see this pencil down here, you can pick whatever color you want. And this is really, really good to use for drawing people's attention to what you want them to notice. So as you talk or as you make comments, you can point to people and visually create a way for them to pay attention to what's important. And then other ways that you can add comments are through video and through uploading comments. Once all of your slides are in here, I also want to point out that you can create groups. So if you want to share this with 4, 5, 6, 10 other people, you can create a group to do that. And you can also share it using a link, posting it to Twitter or Facebook, or embedding the VoiceThread. So back into our VoiceThread here, if we talk about the benefits here, there are several that I would like to point out. Firstly, it allows participants to engage in learning by better understanding what others are saying rather than trying to decipher text, which is not always as easily interpreted. Other benefits include employees don't always have to be in the same space to participate in a VoiceThread. They can get all of the content and they can authentically participate, but yet they can be in other areas of the building. The other benefit is the ability to use mixed media and give learners the ability to have more control over media with the doodling feature. There are a few potential drawbacks to using the VoiceThread. 1, not all web browsers support the voice and video features of the app. I have learned that if training tools are not intuitive for the employees to use, they are likely to be quick to give up on the training. A challenge to integrating technology into workplace learning is varying levels of tech literacy amongst employees. And lastly, it could get difficult to keep up with all of the comments if there are a lot of participants and people are commenting on a lot of different things. However, regardless of potential drawbacks, I think the VoiceThread can be successfully implemented and integrated into my web lesson. The topic of my lesson, Strategic Communication and Leadership to Positively Impact Attrition Rates, will use case-based scenarios for learners to analyze and respond. I plan to use VoiceThread to upload video scenarios that allow learners to respond to such scenarios prior to training and then again once they have completed the training. This will serve as a pre and post assessment as well as give people the opportunity to spend less time in the classroom and more time at their workstations while still getting in really good practice on the topic at hand. In conclusion, VoiceThread is a great way to engage your learners, providing them with the autonomy they desire over learning.